Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here because there was no video up this week and I said I was gonna start uploading regularly in my channel again last week. Like we started last week, but I couldn't upload this week because I filmed my BoxyCharm unboxing on Monday, I believe, and I just did not like how it came out. I felt so awkward filming it and I was just felt shy and like just weirded out by me filming it because my mother-in-law was here and she was downstairs. So I film in the upstairs area. Like there's this like little like living room like setup going on upstairs and by a room. So that's where I film, and also like there's a lot of like natural light because all upstairs has windows. I wanted to film that day because I knew they weren't gonna be home, so I wasn't gonna feel awkward or like weird around them or whatever. So that's one of the reasons why I wanted to film. But then once I started to actually film, she came home right when I pressed record. She got home and I still filmed it, but it didn't sound like me, you know. It's just I was being so awkward in front of the camera. It was just, I felt so weirded out. I don't know why, but I did. My sister-in-law was here too, but I don't feel awkward around her. She's been in one of my videos. She knows like what the deal is and whatever, but I just felt so awkward filming around my mother-in-law. I don't know why. And also my father-in-law is here too, so it's like double the awkwardness. That's the main reason. And I did go through the footage and it just didn't look like me, didn't sound like me. I was just, you could tell I was so awkward in front of the camera, and you could tell that it wasn't a good video. So I decided not to put it up. I do still have two makeup tutorials that I pre-filmed back at my old place. I do have to edit them. I'm gonna edit one today. I might bring it outside and edit it, but the only thing is that if I bring it outside, it's like my computer dies so fast. I don't know if they're voiceovers. I don't know if I was talking through them because I don't remember. I filmed them so long ago, like I really don't remember. And I tried to film so many. I also do have my house tour from like the house tour that I promised you guys I was gonna do, so I will also be editing that. And today I don't have to go tutor, so I basically have all day today to edit. I'm gonna try to edit the house tour first because I think that's gonna be the fastest one to edit, and then I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial just so I can have two videos ready to go for next week and then the week after that, and I don't have to stress out about filming because I think I only have one more video left, which is another makeup tutorial that I pre-filmed, and it's just I just get so nervous filming here. I don't know why. I just do. I'm just gonna edit those videos to make sure I have content for you guys the next few weeks, like the next 3 weeks, and then I'm gonna like start to film again. I just have to feel comfortable, you know. I do have a light that's my husband's and it's super bright. I used to use that light to film whenever I would film at night, and if anything, if I feel really awkward filming outside in like the little space that I want to film in because of all the natural light, I might just grab that light and film in my room. But yeah, that's the only other solution I have. Hopefully I don't feel awkward. Like I just have to get over my awkwardness and just do it. But it's just, I don't know, I feel so awkward. But yeah, that's all I have to tell you guys today. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful rest of the weekend, and I will see you guys on Wednesday with a new video. Bye guys.